Hello everyone, welcome back to Lena's Kitchen. Today I will share with you one of the most easy and tasty summer recipe, rice with shrimp. This recipe can be cooked with ingredients found in every home. Let's get started with this recipe. In a pan, put 4 tablespoons of oil, 1 big chopped onion, 1 cup of peas, 1 cup of diced carrots, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, half teaspoon of ginger, 1 tablespoon of paprika, and 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. Cumin is suitable for all types of fish. Bring everything to simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes without stop stirring your ingredients. I added half pound of rice that I have washed it twice with cold water. I did use basmati rice because the rice grains after cooking will not stick together. Cover your rice with cold water, and your water should be higher than your rice for about ½ inch or 1 centimeter. When your rice starts to boil, turn your stove in a very low heat and let your rice cook for about 20 to 25 minutes. Check your rice time to time to watch the water amount if needed. If your rice have water in the bottom of your pan, you don't have to add more water until this water is evaporate. Don't over stir your rice because we don't want to break our rice grains. Just check the water amount time to time if needed and keep the water amount low. This way your rice will not stick together. Always add hot water. Cooking our rice this way is like we are steaming our rice, and our rice will not stick together. After 25 minutes, check your rice between your fingers. Whenever you notice that your rice becomes soft, turn your stove off and leave your rice on the top of your stove for about 10 to 15 minutes. This way all the excess water will evaporate. And my rice is very well cooked without any excess water, and my rice grains are not stick to each other. Now it's time to cook our shrimp. In a pan, put 4 tablespoons of oil, 1 big chopped onion, 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of paprika, half teaspoon of cumin powder, and 1 lemon slice. Bring everything to simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. Add half cup of water to avoid burning our spices. After 10 minutes, add your shrimp with 1 cup of water. Cook your shrimp for about 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, add a little bit of Italian sauce and let your shrimp absorb this sauce for about 10 to 15 minutes in a medium-high heat. After 15 minutes, you will notice that your shrimp is very well cooked and your sauce become more thicker. Now turn your stove off and sprinkle some fresh mint and parsley on the top. Now it's time to serve our rice with our shrimp. Put your rice on the bottom of your plate and put your shrimp on the top of it. Give your rice a beautiful touches with mint and parsley on the top. Don't forget to put lemon in the edges because lemon is very important ingredient for all fish dishes. My rice grains were not stick together at all, and the combination between my spices, cumin, Mint, lemon gives this dish a fabulous taste. This dish is very easy, tasty, and suitable for summer. I hope you like my video and you will try this recipe. Please like, share, and subscribe for more. See you in the next video. Bye!